Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am partnering with Maybelline to bring you guys a fun tutorial. We're going to be doing a get ready with me at home. When deciding like what kind of look I wanted to do for this tutorial slash like get ready with me, I wanted to do something could be used in multiple ways. Number one, can be used for practice, like if you're using this time being at home to practice your makeup skills, and also if you're already experienced, this is a really good look. Maybe those Zoom Friday parties that maybe a few of you guys have been attending. I've been attending some. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Super fun though, because Ulta right now is having buy one get one 50% off all Maybelline eye products. So great. You guys will be able to take advantage of that. I will have the links in the description box for the eye products as well as all of the Maybelline products that I use. So get a little notepad and a pen so you guys can write down some of the products that you did enjoy in this video. So many great products. So if you guys would like to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So you guys, let's get started with today's video. So excited to put some makeup on my face. Putting on makeup is like far and few in between because of everything that's going on. So today I'm going to be doing a full face of Maybelline, which Maybelline products are inexpensive as well as super nice quality. So win-win, honestly. I put all of the products that I'm going to be using in here. I'm going to begin with applying a little bit of a BB cream. This is the Maybelline Dream BB. The one that I'm going to be using is 140 Deep Sheer Tint. So I swatched this and I felt like this one was going to be the best shade. It adjusts to your skin tone, so it should be good even if it's a little bit darker. It's going to brighten the skin as well as smooth and hydrate. And it's also formulated with 0% of oils, which is super nice because sometimes when BB cream has too much oil, it can kind of feel heavy on the skin. So it's really good that it doesn't have that. And it also has SPF of 30. So everything you need in the BB cream. Really good how that looks so far. So for concealer, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I'm thinking with how like natural the coverage is of the BB cream, I'm going to go in with a shade that's not too much lighter than my skin tone. So the shade that I'm using is 144 Caramel. This sponge that the concealer comes out of is so freaking soft, and I'm just going to blend that in. Really nice formula of a concealer. It gives like a super natural and just refreshed look, which is really good when you kind of just want to do a quick makeup look. And then for bronzer, I'm going to use one of my favorite bronzers. It's the Maybelline City Bronzer in the shade 300, and this is going to add warmth to the skin. It kind of prevents your like foundation or BB cream from looking flat by adding a little bit of bronzer. For eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Nudes of New York eyeshadow palette. And to start, I'm going to go in with the shade Creator, and I'm going to use that as my transition color. As you guys know, I always like to start with a transition color. It just helps all the other eyeshadows blend a lot better. And as I add darker shades into the crease, you always want like a lighter shade that's closer to the brow bone highlight, just so that it blends a lot better. It's more of a seamless transition between the two. Okay, so that transition color was super nice. Okay, now let's see, what kind of look do I want to do today? I think I just want to do a glam everyday look. So I'm going to next go in with the shade Voyager, and it's a dark purple matte eyeshadow. I'm going to apply this to the outer corner of the eye to kind of give more of a smoky effect. Start with a little amount and add more if you're not sure how much of the darker shade you want to use. And then for lid shade, I'm going to go with a shade that kind of matches my top. I'm going to use the shade Inspirer and apply this to the empty spots on the lid. What's cool about these shimmers in this palette is that you can get two versions of the shimmer. So you can go in without wetting your brush and get like a soft shimmer, or if you just wet your brush a little bit with some sort of setting spray or even a spray bottle with a little bit of water in it, then you can create more of an intense shimmer, which is what I just did for this look. For the lower lash line, I'm just going to go in with the transition color we use just to create a little bit of smokiness, but not too much. This is just going to help kind of balance out the look a little bit. And then for inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the shade Dreamer. Brighten up the eyes just a little bit more. So I literally just remembered that I forgot to set my brows after I filled them in off camera. So let's go in with the Maybelline Brow Fast Sculpt, and this is in the shade Clear, and it's just going to help our brows look a little bit thicker and helps for the brow hairs to stay in place and just hold all day long. And it doesn't just come in clear, it actually comes in 8 different shades. So now let's go in with mascara. I'm going to be using the Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift Mascara. Wow, that gave like such nice volume and length to my lashes. So nice, so nice. Now let's move on to highlight and blush. My highlights has been through some things. It's the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlights. I'll show it a little bit. It's in the shade 100 Molten Gold. And then for blush, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Berry, a really nice berry shade. And tap this on the cheeks. It's a very pigmented blush. A little bit goes a long way. And then for lip color, I'm going to use the Maybelline SuperStay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter, and it's a terracotta nude shade. I totally forgot to add a little bit of eyeliner, and I'm just sitting here like something looks not how I envisioned it. And eyeliner was the thing. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Hyper Easy Brush Tip Liner in the shade Pitch Black. I'm just going to add a very thin line. So guys, this is the end of this full face of Maybelline makeup tutorial, kind of get ready with me at home video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You really do not have to spend a whole lot of money in order to get a really good makeup look. Make sure that you guys check the link in my description box so you guys can shop online. The sale that's going on right now on Ulta Beauty, the buy one get one 50% off all Maybelline eye products. So make sure you guys check that out. Thank you guys as always so much for watching my videos, and thank you to Maybelline for partnering with me on this video. Make sure that you guys subscribe down below before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.